All right, now that you've gone through the course entrance quiz, you've seen the syllabus quiz, I'm hoping you've seen that information, that video. Even though it says week 1, and it looks like it covers more than 7 days, Thursday and Friday didn't seem like enough of a week for me. But so this covers only pretty much up through the 18th of January. What you'll see me post in every single chapter is I will post a section on resources. In that section you will see links, videos, things that will help you with the assignments. One of the things you'll be doing this week is installing your development environment. Well, some of that, if you look back at the appendix of the textbook, there are some applications that need to be installed. And I've posted those links on this here. So if you want to get a link to Notepad, XAMPP, NetBeans, Xdebug, all the things that talk to in the instructions at the end, how to install the development environment, those links are available here. That way, if you didn't want to go look them up, you didn't have to. I've posted a copy of the PowerPoint slides. There is also a video of the Chapter 1 lecture. So for those of you who like listening to me talk, you can listen to it. Now, one of the things that is probably going to be beneficial for you is this student resources. This student resources is a zip file that has code samples from both the ones that are described in the textbook, but it also has, most of these have starting points for assignments that I assign. So you don't have to code anything from scratch. I don't think so. So I would download that and unzip this, install it where it tells you to install it. And the textbook will tell you where to put this, but you're going to want to download the student resources information. I also post weekly key terms. I use the tool Quizlet. Some of you may be familiar with it. Just create flashcards to help you understand and help you remember some of the key terms in there. So those are some of the resources. And each week there'll be different resources. Some will be links, some will be other videos. But this week being most of it is setting up your development environment and getting those first assignments done. That's what you need to do. But I also need you to register for Remind, so you can send me a text. That's also what is that, 2% of your grade. Your first reflection journal. Let's see, let me take that back. I gave you 2 different assignments. One is an assignment on, I do this differently for a different class. Just introduce yourself. Some of you I've already had in class, some of you I may not have, so just answer a few questions. If you want to send me a picture, so if we happen to meet in the hallway on campus, maybe I'll have a chance to recognize you. The biggest thing for this week is create your development environment. Most of it is, all of it's in the back, is the appendix, based on which computer platform you're using, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux machine. Choose the appropriate appendix. And also make sure you download the correct version of the software based on that platform. So that's your first thing. And all I want is some screenshots that show that the installation has been, of each application has been installed correctly. Exercise, in Chapter 1 exercises, you got 4 different exercises that'll help with this process. And then, of course, the reflection journal. Reflection journal, like I said, it's what I use to do attendance. So if there's any assignment you do on time, it's the reflection journal, especially if you want to be not marked absent. Since you're only allowed to be in an online class, only probably 2 absences, you don't want to get too far behind on these. Free form, anything you want to tell me, there's not even a word count. I just your way of connecting with me, knowing that you're still okay, and the conversations and what you send is just between me and you. So just keep in mind they're due Monday at midnight. Give you a couple of days reprieve because I know life happens, but remember it's worth 3% of your grade. And of course, being a little longer a week, you've got your first chapter exam. True, false, multiple choice, not timed. So, as you can tell, we've got the exam set up for doing it. We do on the 18th, but it totally expires or gets turned off on the 25th. So you've got about a week after that for grace period. So hopefully that gives you a rough idea of what to expect the first week. If you have any questions, register for Remind, send me a text, send me an email, stop by my office. Give me a call. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.